Welcome to Lesson 1.1, Setting Up Your Python Workshop. In this foundational module, we're not just learning theory, we're getting our hands dirty, building the very environment where all your future Python projects will live. Think of it as preparing your personal garage or studio before you start creating masterpieces. By the end of this lesson, you won't just know about Python, you'll have it running on your machine ready for action. Specifically, you will be able to confidently install Python and a powerful code editor, set up a dedicated virtual workspace to keep your projects tidy, and successfully run your very first Python script. This isn't just about following steps, it's about understanding the why behind each setup choice, empowering you to troubleshoot and adapt. Let's dive in and get your workshop ready. Every craftsman needs their tools, and for Python development, our two essentials are Python itself and Visual Studio Code. Python is the engine, the language interpreter that understands and executes your code. We'll be installing the latest stable version to ensure you have access to all the modern features and improvements. Then there's Visual Studio Code, often simply called VS Code. This isn't just a basic text editor, it's an integrated development environment, or IDE. Think of it as your smart workbench. It provides features like code auto-completion, debugging tools, and integrated terminals, all designed to make your coding experience smoother and more efficient. It helps you write better code, catch errors faster, and manage your projects with ease. Getting these two set up correctly is our first critical step. Now that we have our core tools, let's talk about keeping your projects organized and isolated. This is where virtual environments come in, a concept that might seem a bit abstract at first, but is absolutely crucial for professional development. Imagine your kitchen counter analogy again. You wouldn't mix the ingredients for a cake with the ingredients for a stew in the same bowl, right? Similarly, different Python projects often rely on different versions of libraries or even Python itself. A virtual environment creates a self-contained sandbox for each project. This means the libraries you install for Project A won't clash with those for Project B. It prevents what's known as dependency hell, making your development process far more stable and predictable. It's a best practice that saves countless headaches down the line and ensures your projects are portable and reproducible. All right, the moment of truth. With Python installed, VS Code ready, and your virtual environment set up, it's time to write and run your very first Python script, the classic Hello World. This isn't just a tradition, it's your first tangible success proving your setup works. You'll open VS Code, create a new file, and type a single, simple line of code. Print, hello, quote. This print function is one of Python's most fundamental commands, used to display output. After saving your file with a .py extension, like hello.py, you'll open the integrated terminal in VS Code. First, you'll activate your virtual environment, then simply type python hello.py and press enter. Seeing Hello World appear on your screen is incredibly satisfying. It confirms that your entire setup is functioning perfectly and you're ready to start building more complex programs. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the essential first steps in setting up your Python development workshop. Let's quickly recap what you've achieved. You've not only installed Python and a powerful IDE in VS Code, but you also understand why these tools are fundamental. Crucially, you've mastered the creation and activation of virtual environments, a cornerstone of professional Python development that ensures your projects remain clean and